It's not me you actually want to see, okay? All right, so I sand this puppy down. I did good, huh? I did really, really good on this sanding baby. But you know, I always call out my own flaws. Like, I need to shave this puppy off. And this is just a flat paint that I had left over, a little white pearl I have left over. So I sand this puppy down, put the white pearl over it. However, I need a Berger 303 almond lotion to complete my paint. Oh, I threw out the garbage bin. Oh yeah. So I buy this one, Berger, and this is the pink for that bit, and yeah, and the almond that I use here. My 120, is it 120? Yeah, my 120 sandpaper finish. So I bought two. My puppy ate one, so I need to get another one to sand that down and finish. Yeah, my sandpaper. I only had bought, and I bought the 220, but the 240. Sorry, the 240 not working. Too much work on my hand, and I got my little Easy Care Cascade. I got my door from Blocks. Thank you, Blocks, and those need to wipe down. I need to tile and all of that bit. So I need to sand down and paint. Finish sand and paint, right? This is amazing. I want to thank my window guy for letting me have these windows from him. Yeah, thank you. I got all my paints. So I think the purpose for this video is Rapid is my backyard, and I'm going to be banned from Rapid. My boyfriend is going to ban me from Rapid because he said from the day I live here, I've always been buying paint. And I can't get sponsored on none of my channels that I talk about my paint and my work with Rapid and all the other company. And for someone who doesn't have a big company like Rapid, I get a window from. So y'all, I need assistance with my Airbnb, with my thing. I love this. I need one more little can of this luminous blue paint, and I need door and window jamb paint as well to complete this room. I need a toilet and a face basin to I'm washing my mop, so that's where the noise come from, to complete this bathroom catastrophe here, because this is not saying anything at all. Accidentally put flat on my wall because I was chatting to them girls at Home Depot, not realizing I pick up a flat paint rather than a lotion white pearl. So this is AC ready. It's ready. The bed is made and everything. I need a little bit more luminous blue to finish that thing that I had put a strip around. I need to complete that. I need to paint my jam. I need my almond paint to finish this. I need strip light, and I need plexiglass up there to have that, you know, that little concoction of, I don't know what it's going to give, what vibes it's going to give down there with the color light, and, you know, my little stripper all the way going down, my club vibes, whatever. Shut up, Csompó. Yeah, so I sand this little baby down just now, and I'm covered in sand, in things, as you can see. Me and my little man over there resting, my little boy over there resting. He's always with me. He's always with me, y'all. So this is what, yeah. So for me to complete now, I build this area for the fridge. Got to get my fridge from outside. The fridge needs a freezer door, so I'm gonna get that sorted out. Get that. I need a microwave. Need to tile. The tiling is the biggest part. My friend had gave me these windows, so I need 2 more windows. I need that one is going to go right there, and the little one in the kitchen, and I need one for this bit and one for this bit, because these are board windows, old-fashioned type windows. So, and I don't want windows with the fancy strips to fancy to some people. I don't see it fancy. So yeah, so this is my little Airbnb, my other room that I've added. I need a telly right there. Wow, that would be nice if I have a 75-inch or a 65-inch telly right there. That would look super, super dope. So I have other apartments that I need to sort out, but I just want to focus on one at a time.